eating beef jerky with sticky rice right here. It's really good. You should try it. Right now. Hello, my name is Justin Siegel, and this is my little helper, Kyle. Say hi. Hi. Okay, today we're gonna make Thai beef jerky. Okay, here are all the ingredients. First, you need beef that are chopped up into strips. You also need oyster sauce, chopped garlic, seasoning sauce, Mexican seasoning sauce. This is it.
You need sauce.
You need salt. You need black pepper, and you need, what is it, Kyle?
I don't know.
Sugar.
I
Okay,
only know
it's really easy to make. Okay, you just let's take the sugar, sprinkle it on.
What am I doing with that?
Kyle, sprinkle this on. Sprinkle the black pepper on. Put the black pepper.
What?
Okay. Then we sprinkle the salt and garlic and chopped garlic. Then we need the seasoning sauce.
And this. And that.
And we need oyster sauce. It's sticky, so you probably need to use a spoon.
You see it with my.
Oh yeah. So it is. Right now, you need to mix it.
Yeah. Mix it. Yeah.
Mix it well.
Sisters, hey sisters, hey there, sisters, hey there, sisters. And drop it.
Stop it. Now you need to marinate it for at least 1 hour, or you can do it overnight. After you marinate it for at least 1 hour, you need the dehydrator. If you don't have it, you can always use a rag and place it in the sun for at least 1 day. Just put something on it so the flies won't get in. Okay.
Now we take one.
Take one and place it on. No, don't place them next to each other. They're not like real close.
Put my rag in. Not real cows, not real cows.
Okay, now we finish. Okay, first, you need to put the one that says jerky. So 160 Fahrenheit or 71 Celsius, all the way over here. Put it on.
Can I pick it in?
What?
I can put it in.
You put it, no, you're too little, Kyle.
Because I put plugs in.
Okay,
It's only started.
too dangerous, Kyle. Now let's turn it on. Okay. Now you have to leave this on for 30 minutes and check. If it's wet, do a little more, but don't do it too dry because it's gonna be hard. Okay, leave that on for 35 minutes because after 30 minutes, that was too wet, so leave it for another 5 minutes. I'll show them. As you can see, it's not too wet and not too dry, so it's gonna be soft. It's gonna soften and chewy. So this is exactly what we want. Now we're gonna fry the beef jerky. You have to set it on to medium high. Wait until the oil is heated up, and now fry to golden brown. bombs.
No.
Okay.
Now it's golden brown.
It's
green.
Drip.
It's going.
Okay, now the beef jerky is done. As you can see, you can eat this alone with sticky rice or steamed rice. It doesn't matter. It would taste good anyway. Kyle, would you like to would we like to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, Kyle. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It looks so yummy.
Looks good and it tastes delicious. It's easy to cook. You just need to boil the stuff. Chef Justy out. I promise.